In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image clickable in Wix. This is a great way to enhance interactivity on your website and guide users to different sections or resources seamlessly. Whether you want to link your image to an external website, a specific page on your site, or a downloadable document, I'm here to walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open your Wix editor. Start by logging in to your Wix.com account. And once you're in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. From there, look for the Edit Site button. Give it a click and voila, you'll be transported to the Wix editor interface where all the magic happens. This editor is your playground for customization, so feel free to familiarize yourself if you haven't already. Now, let's move on to selecting your image. If you already have an image on your page that you want to make clickable, simply click on it to select it. If you haven't added your image yet, don't worry, it's quite simple. Head over to the add button, it looks like a plus sign, click it, and then choose image followed by my uploads to bring in an image from your local files. Make sure the image you choose is relevant and visually appealing, as this will engage your visitors more effectively. With your image now set and selected, it's time to add a link. Look for the link icon, which is represented by a little chain link symbol, or you might see an option like change link. Give it a click and a new link options menu will appear. Here's where you choose the type of link you want for your image. If you want it to lead to an external website, select web address (URL) and input the desired address. If you're aiming to direct users to another page on your own Wix site, select page and pick accordingly. For directing visitors to a specific section on the same page, anchor is what you'll go for. Lastly, if you intend to provide a downloadable file like a PDF or an image, choose document to upload it here. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to either enter the URL or select the appropriate page or document. Take a moment to double check this information to ensure the link will take your visitors precisely where you want them to go. This prevents unnecessary confusion or errors on your site. And that's it. You've transformed a static image into an interactive feature of your website. This small addition can significantly improve user experience and engagement by providing direct pathways to valuable content or resources. So take a moment to preview your work and ensure everything is functioning as intended. I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy editing.